Hello dear students, now we are going to learn about the anchor tools. So before starting learning about the anchor tools, let me draw a rectangle shape. So you can use this pen tool as well as this rectangle tools. So I'm using this pen tools. So you can see that I'm pressing shift button. So I have created a rectangle shape. Now I want to make some curves inside this rectangle shape. That's why I need to add some anchor point. So you can see I only have this 4 path. This is an anchor, but basically I have total 4 path. But I need to add some more anchor point, because if I need to make some curve or make some changes specific inside this area, I am unable to do that. That's why you have to use the anchor tool. So for having the anchor tool, you just have to right click your mouse inside the pen tool, then you will have this add anchor point tool. Okay, so let me use this add anchor point tool. So I want to add an anchor in here, and in here. So total 3 anchor I have added. So for adding the anchors, you have to use this add anchor point tool. Okay, so let me add some more anchor points. Like I want to add one here, and here. So I have created a lots of anchors. So for adding the anchor, you have to use the anchor point tool, add anchor point tool. Now if you right click with your mouse inside the add anchor point tool, you will have this anchor point tool. Okay, so this is add anchor point tool and this is anchor point tool. So I already added 6 anchor inside this rectangle shape. So I need to customize them. That's why I'm using this anchor point tool. So let's start with the first one. So you have to place your mouse cursor to this anchor. Then you can move as you want. You can move at right side, at left side, at top or bottom. Okay, so you can see the impact of here. So I already used my anchor tool in here. So let me work with the second anchor, and here is the third anchor. Okay, so as I was saying that I need some anchor inside my rectangle shape. I have added and I made some curves. So let me do the same things for the bottom part. So here is my anchor point and I'm pulling it up. And I'm pulling it up. Okay, so you can see that we have created a curved rectangle shape. But if you want to delete all these things, all this anchor, and if you want to have it back as like before, in that case you just have to right click with your mouse, then you will have this delete anchor point tool. So let me use this delete anchor point tool, and using this delete anchor point tool, which anchor you want to delete, you have to place your mouse cursor to that anchor. So as an example, let me delete this one. So I'm selecting here and I'm clicking here. You can see that my anchor is deleted. Let me delete this one and let me delete this one. So all the 3 anchor at top lines is removed. So let me do the same things for bottom. I'm deleting this one, and I'm deleting this one. Okay, so this is how you will use that add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and anchor point tool. So with this anchor point tool, you will be able to manipulate any kind of shapes or style in Adobe Illustrator.